Hello everyone, today we'll give you how to transfer video audio files to external hard drive with UniConverter 13. Step 1. Launch Wondershare UniConverter. If you don't have UniConverter, you can click the link below. Go to Toolbox and click the Transfer features. Step 2. Connect hard drive and import the media. Connect your external hard drive to the computer and import the video and audio files to UniConverter. Step 3. Choose a disk and transfer the files. Choose a disk volume of your external hard drive. And click Transfer All to send videos to the external hard drive. Thank you for watching our tutorial videos. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Click the link in the description to try Wondershare UniConverter for free. See you in the next video.